Hi, my name is Chris Tillotson, Chief Information Officer for ICE Energy, and I'm here again today with Dr. Marcel Christians, our VP of Research and Development. And today I'm really excited to say we're starting a new video series on a new project that Marcel and I are going to be talking about. Marcel, take it away.
Great. So today we're going to be talking about the Polar Bear. The Polar Bear is a product that we're designing to meet the requirements and the needs for the low temperature cold chain and commercial refrigeration markets. Biggest difference there is that we need to be able to supply thermal energy, so we need to be able to supply cold at temperatures that are all the way down to 0 degrees Fahrenheit, which we can't do today with the Ice Bear. For example, display cabinets in a grocery store, walk-in freezers or chest freezers that use a lot of energy to maintain foodstuff, pharmaceuticals, or other high-value items at a very low temperature. All of those are systems that can be paired to a Polar Bear to, one, reduce the amount of energy used during peak hours. We can also combine it with chemical batteries to make a very versatile and low kilowatt backup cooling system. And we can also use it for peak shaving, which means that we can downsize the actual capacity that we would need in a big refrigeration system, so that the Polar Bear can satisfy the very top of the peak during the worst hours of the days when it's warmest outside. Another example that isn't evident are wineries and breweries. They, during the fermentation process, there's a lot of heat generated, and they need a very constant, high-quality source of cooling through the 24-hour period of a day. So this is something that thermal energy storage can help them to achieve, and they are going to be able to also reduce their energy costs. So the way that we've been developing the Polar Bear really started off with a feasibility study that was really based on a thermodynamic and thermofluid mechanics model of the Polar Bear. We used that really to do a down selection of the compressor circuit and what we wanted to do with it, what components more or less we wanted to use in it. And at the same time, we did the design and the down selection of the different phase change materials that we want to use in the right mix of components to get us to the temperature that we wanted to freeze at.
Right.
So based on those, we've looked at that, we've looked at the economics of it, and it really does make a lot of sense for us to continue forward with the product. And the next step is then to go for a prototype.
Excellent. So the next video in this Tech Talk series, we will be looking at that prototype and see how that's advancing.
That's it? Yeah.